So question 1D is about t-tests, and you really have to have an understanding about what a t-test is and why we use it in order to be able to work with this information. So why do we use a t-test? It's to investigate the differences between two sets of statistics. Investigate differences between two sets of data. Now you can repeat a t-test multiple times between multiple sets of data, but it only works between two sets of data. For example, a set of data for boys versus a set of data for girls. And what we find out with that p-value, as many of you actually did know, is the significance of that difference. So your keyword there is significance, and a lot of you talked about percentage chances of the results being down to chance or not. So let's have a look at the data, let's dig in. Basically, if we know what a t-test is and why we use it, it becomes quite a simple question. So we're looking at this here, and this here. So straight away we can see that if we have a look at the training groups, low and moderate training, the difference between the results is the p-value is greater than 5. That means the results are insignificant because there's more than a 5% chance that those results were random. The data isn't different enough, so it's insignificant. We can see that in the middle group, p is less than 0.05, which means that there is a significant difference between the two data sets. So the t-test is doing the analysis for you. You're not having to do that manually or by hand, but there is a significant difference. The interesting group is when we look at the low and high results in terms of training and the impact on the standing broad jump, and we can see that low and high has a p-value of less than 1%. What that means is there is a highly significant or most significant in comparison to the above, this one. This is the most significant difference in between data sets. So we have to form an answer for that. Okay, and there's our answer.